Hey everybody, hey, so we're back today, and we brought, well, we didn't bring, our aunt is visiting from out of state, and she picked up this cool bookshelf along the way for her nephew, our third cousin. Anyway, she asked me, she knows what we do for a living, and she asked me could we refinish it and darken it up a little bit, and it's kind of weathered. So it should be pretty easy to work on. Pretty simple little task today. I've got my varnish remover, and it simply just works a lot better than sanding forever. So all my pieces, all my larger areas that I can get to with this, that's how I'll remove this old varnish or whatever they have on there, and then we're gonna make it darker. So it's put together really well. It's solid wood. There's no MDF on it. There's nowhere. It's all put together with like tongue and groove carpentry. These are a little loose. I probably won't do anything with those to tighten them up because I don't believe that's not going to mess with the integrity of it. But everything's mortise and tenon joints glued together. Very well made. So if you're wondering about this, it's our 1985 International. It's a Thomas. So that's another project that we work on in our other videos. Okay, so I'm gonna start the sanding process. I won't bother you guys too much with that. We'll get a little clip of it. It's almost like a paint scraper, but it's a lot. This is a carbide tip, so it's a lot better.
You can tell the difference between the two different tones.
It's almost effortless using this thing because I'm just barely putting any pressure on it, and this stuff's coming right off.
For those of us who like mid-century modern things, myself included, I think this is going to be a super cute piece. So this is what the piece looks like. This is where the books will sit on here. And then down here, storage for anything. Top for more books.
I think it's maple. I'm not 100% sure, but I do believe that it is maple. Wow, that looks really good. See if you can get a shot. See the difference?
Alright, so Chuck's gonna get that, Chuck's gonna get this scraped. And then after you scrape it,
After I scrape it, I'll lightly sand it to take back anything that I missed. And then it should be good.
alrighty.
Hey everybody, we're back today, and I got this all done yesterday. As I was telling you, our aunt came to visit and she brought this bookshelf that she picked up from a lady. She just had it sitting on her front porch. She was going to throw it away. And my aunt said, well, you know, I've got a niece and a nephew who can fix that. And so she took it, she brought it to us, and it's just a quick little 24-hour turnaround. I've sanded it down completely. I didn't get any footage of me staining it because I did it pretty late last night, so there wasn't a lot of light to shoot by. But we've got our homemade stain on there now. It's completely a different color than it was to begin with. I am inside of the buck doing this because it's really windy outside today and I don't want to screw up the clear coat that I'm going to put on there.
He's got windows open, guys, so don't worry about ventilation.
It is well ventilated. So, but I wanted you guys to be able to see the transformation when we actually start to put the sealer on there. I'm going to do the bottom first. See, once you put the clear coat on there, it really brings out the color of the stain. There you have it. That's what it'll look like. It's gonna have a gloss. It's gonna have a gloss in it because I couldn't find any matte clear coat down at the store. So I'm gonna finish this up and then we'll come back at the end and give you some good shots. Okay, well here it is, guys. We got it done. Quick turnaround. I got this done in less than 24 hours altogether. Yeah, it turned out really good. I think y'all saw the color change when we put the finish on it. So it brought down, pretty sure it is maple. But I just wanted to show you what you could do. You know, if you've got something old, instead of throwing it away, just sand it down and put some stain on it. Hope you guys like this video. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Click the bell notification so you can be notified when we upload our videos. And please give us a like if you like this video. A thumbs up. Pretty cool, huh? I like it. Okay, that'll do it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Okay.
Rolling.
Yep.
And action.